Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe down below. But today I'm going to be doing a rather large makeup haul. Please excuse my dog. She's rather loud. But yeah, I am doing a makeup haul. I have bought so much makeup recently. Like, I don't even know how I've managed to accumulate this much stuff. Having it on the side now, just looking at it, I'm like, whoa, Emily, you need to calm yourself. Oh, I've got more in this drawer actually. Oh my god. So I apologise if you can hear. Oh my god, why won't she be quiet? I've literally just gone down, tried to shut her up, given her some treats, and she's not shutting up. 1 second. Okay, I apologise if you hear her again, but I think I've managed to sort her out for now. So, we'll start with the first thing that I have, which I actually somehow managed to forget that I had. This is my new Z palette, and I am in love. First, can we look at this shade variety? Like, look at all of these colours, absolutely beautiful. I will be doing more videos on these shadows. These are from Al0haGlitz, which is my friend Liv's company. Hand makes all of these eyeshadows. They are cruelty free. I'm pretty sure they are vegan as well. But yeah, these are the shades that I have, bar the yellow one. This is a NYX eyeshadow. But yeah, look at all of these beautiful shades. These are all of Meg's collection and also Flash and Flare. So these are all the colours here. They are absolutely beautiful. If I do a little swatch, you can see they are so pigmented. Honestly, I got these out, I was like, woo! But I am going to be doing a video on all of these shadows on the Al0haGlitz channel. Make sure you go and follow the new Instagram. She actually got hacked last night, and honestly, I don't get like how someone could hack an account, because like I'm just speechless. Like, I don't know why someone would do this, because Liv's such a great person. She's such like a nice person. She is lovely. She has her own brand. She works really hard, and I just don't get why someone would be so cruel just to completely hack it and delete it. We were almost at 5k. So yeah, I'll link the new Instagram down below for Al0haGlitz. Please go and follow, because I still can't believe that she got hacked, and I just don't get why someone would want to do that. Yeah, those are my Al0haGlitz shadows. I will be doing more videos on those in the future because they are amazing. I then got sent 3 products by the brand BeautyBigBang, and this is a website. It's just beautybigbang.com. They basically just got in touch. They were like, choose a couple of products. So I did, and I have this little card. I'll leave all of their like socials down below. It's just basically BeautyBigBang. But yeah, basically I got all of these. I got a powder, I got an eyebrow pencil, and a liquid lipstick. Now, I have done a first impression video using all of these products, so I will link that down below as well. But basically I got the Big Beauty Bang powder, and I got this in the shade Ivory. This is just the loose powder, and I got this in the shade 1. It's basically just a really nice loose powder. Like, it's very finely milled. I used this the other day under my eyes. It didn't look crepey at all. It looked really, really nice. I really like that so far. I haven't played with it too much, but I do really like it on like my first impressions. The eyebrow pencil is next. I love this. My sister loves this. When I got this, I was like, oh, this isn't going to be the right colour. I think I ordered too dark of a colour. It actually matches really well because it's not too pigmented, although it also matches my sister's brows, and she has like almost black hair. So this is in the shade 1 again. It has a spoolie on one end, which is great, and it also has the brow pencil on the other. You get quite a bit of product. It's like a retractable pencil. It goes further than that, but I don't want to wind it up too far that it like just snaps off. But yeah, it's like a angled product. It's like a triangle shape. I really like it. I think it's really nice. It looks like really natural, and it's just a really good brow product. I think these are all around £2.99ish, so it's really, really affordable. And finally, the liquid lipstick. As you can see, they all come in these really nice matte black boxes, and these aren't like rip-off companies at all. These are all labelled BeautyBigBang, so they are all like their products. I love this. I love the packaging on this. It's like gold, and then glass, not glass, and then plastic, and it says BeautyBigBang on the side. I got the shade number 3, which is Naked. They smell like, I feel like it smells like sweets, which I really like. But yeah, it's a really beautiful colour, and I wore this again in my first impressions, so you'll have to go and watch that. So I then made a couple of orders on Cult Beauty and BeautyBigBang. So I got like a mixture of different things. I cannot remember which ones were from which, but you know, I'm pretty sure they both sell all of this stuff. So the first two things I know I definitely got from BeautyBigBang because I don't think Cult Beauty sell these. These are the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealers. I got the Beautiful Bronze one because my friend Chloe absolutely raves about this in all of her videos, and she has about 6 I think, so I was like, it's definitely going to be good if she uses it all the time, and she has that many. And then I also got the one in Peach Corrector, which I have both of these on my face today. I also used these in my first impressions again. I really like these, they're really nice formula. It's just a bit difficult to get them out of the tube because you have to squeeze and then you don't know how much you've squeezed. You don't know how much you've like got out. But yeah, you just definitely with this bronze one, don't use a lot. You do not need a lot. A little goes a long way, and it's better to put a tiny bit on and build it. I learnt that yesterday when I was trying these out. I was like, whoa, a bit too much there, a bit too much. But yeah, I love these. I think they're really affordable, they're really good quality, and I kind of want to try out the actual concealers now. Next, I got the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. Now, I love this. I was going to get the cucumber one or the lavender one, and then I saw the rosewater one. I know so many people rave on about the rosewater one, so I was like, I might as well just get that one. And then I am planning on building my Mario Badescu spray collection. I want them all because I love like the sound of all of them. I love cucumber, like the scent of it. I just think it's really nice, and that one sounds like really refreshing. And I also love lavender because, as you all know, I have ME and I struggle with the whole aspect of sleep and energy and life. So I thought that would be really nice to spray like before bed. That was nice and relaxing, nice and cooling. Obviously the lavender would help you sleep, but I did get the rosewater one this time. It smells amazing. It feels so nice on the skin. I'm not sure what like actual benefits it has on the skin, but it smells great, and rosewater is supposed to be really good for you. I think this was about £11. I got the bigger one. I then got the two The Ordinary foundations. I have the Coverage Foundation, which is the High Coverage Foundation formula. And then I also have the Serum Foundation, which is the Lightweight Serum formula, which is a lighter coverage. I have briefly used both of them. I love the Coverage Foundation so far. This is the one that I used in my first impressions video again. I got this in the shade 1.1N, which is Fair Neutral. I love this. I think it looks really nice on the skin. It works really well. It covers nicely. It's a really nice texture. It lasted well on my skin. As for the serum one, I got this in 1.2 Neutral, which is light neutral. I got this one first because I didn't read any reviews first, and then I ordered this one. I was like, oh, the reviews say it oxidizes quite badly. So I've not fully used this properly, so I can't give it a bad review, but I'm not the biggest fan of this. I have really oily skin, so I wasn't planning on loving this. But yeah, this is basically, it's not really my thing. It's quite greasy on the skin. It doesn't really do much at all for my skin, but I need to give it another like play around. So don't take my word on it yet because I haven't given it the full like testing. I believe these were about £5.75 each, which is so affordable. So yeah. And then finally, I believe this was BeautyBigBang I got this from. This is the Zoeva Plaisir Box. Now this is what it looks like. It's beautiful box. Basically my friend got this and she sent me a picture. I was like, right, where did you get that from? I'm ordering it right now. It's like this matte browny black kind of colour with the metallic gold patterning on it, and it says Zoeva Plaisir on the top. Then you take the lid off and it's all gold inside, and then you have 3 palettes. So you get the Cocoa Blends, the Caramel Melange, and the Blanc Fusion, which I love all of these. I think they are really good. Again, I used these in my first impression, so you'll have to watch that to see how I think about them. But you've seen me use the Cocoa Blends before, and you know I love that palette. So yeah, really, really good eyeshadows. I think they're amazing. Definitely go and watch that video because honestly, you can see my first impressions. I was so surprised. I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. I was so blown away. I believe this was £48 for the 3 and comes with the box. And it was also free shipping. They are £18 each if you wanted to buy them separately, so it works out cheaper to get them as a set, and you get the nice little box to store them in too. I then bought 2 of the Rimmel Breathable Concealers. I don't know if you know, but I am obsessed with the foundation. I love it so much. It's my favourite foundation. So I was like, I want to try out the concealer because I've seen people rave about it and I love it. I'm using it right now. Again, used it in my first impressions video. A lot of this stuff I used in that video, so if you want to see how all of these products perform, I'm not sure if that will be up after this video. That probably makes more sense. So yeah, this is described as a lightweight medium coverage. I really love it. I think it's really nice and brightening. It covers nicely. This is in the shade One Light Ivory, sorry. Again from Rimmel, I got a lip pencil. This is the Exaggerate full colour lip pencil in the shade Addiction. I have it on my lips now as well as the product I'm about to show you. I really like this. I love Rimmel products, as you can probably tell. And I just thought that I wanted a nude pencil. It's retractable and I just really love Rimmel lip pencils. I've had them in the past, so I thought I would get a nude one. I then have the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Blush, and as you can see I'm wearing this today. I love this colour and the formula actually. I have the red one, I can't remember what it's called, something like Fiery something or other, but I just love it. Like, it doesn't crack into my lips, it looks really nice on top of the lip liner. Like, it doesn't feel sticky, it dried down nicely. I just think it's a really good product and they are quite affordable as well. On to the last 2 products. I'm getting a bit tired now because I've been speaking for so long. I have Duo eyelash glue. I've never ever used the clear Duo eyelash glue. Oh my goodness, it stinks. It smells like fish. Like, it smells like when my dogs like need doing. If you know what I mean. If you own a dog, then you know what I mean. But it literally smells like that and I was like, woo! But once they're on your face and their glue dries, it doesn't smell. It's just when you're first applying it, you're like, okay. But it is a really good eyelash glue. I definitely think it's better than any of the other eyelash glues I've ever used. Although, to be fair, I haven't used too many glues. If you have any glue recommendations though, let me know. I then have, finally, the Revolution palette. This is the Subculture dupe. It's called Iconic Division and this is basically a Subculture dupe, like I just said. Oh my god, I can't open it, but you can kind of see the colours. I have a tutorial coming up using this palette. It is I follow along a tutorial from Emma Fleming and she uses the Subculture in that video. I'm really sorry I can't speak anymore. So I followed it along with the dupes. So yeah, it's only £4 as well. So that is everything I picked up recently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.